what we found is the precipitate, it's this aluminum and copper sulfate. This sulfate was formed only after the confluence of Lunar and Lukha River. Then it started getting blue from that junction onwards.
No, our question is why the blue color?
That would be due to the refractive index of the water. If we take this water, the blue also in the jar, it doesn't appear blue. It's colorless itself, but due to the refractive index of the sun, it appears blue.
No, but that way, what are the? Have you tested the water?
Yes, sir. It's acidic, sir. The water.
Acidic.
Yes.
So it is not consumable.
It's not consumable. Not you can't see any living organisms. Also.
No fish will survive.
No fish will survive.
Have you heard what the honorable member was telling to us just now? That this is the condition that is appearing. What we have found is only here.
Yes, sir.
But no other such cases is detected anywhere. Even this also, if you go up to the dam in Kupli, it's not blue.
It's not blue like this.
It's not blue like this.
We'll have to do a thorough study comparing the two.
No, we should compare, no. Because other side from the Assam side, till today the coal mine is continuous.
Going on.
It's going on.
But there is no blue appearance in the river. So if you think that is purely because of coal mining, then it should happen there also.
Yes,
It should happen there also.
So now, turning acidity, the acidity of the water is due to what reason? Can you explain to us?
Mainly due to the heavy metals.
Due to the presence of heavy metals. Like what?
Copper, copper, then aluminium, or, iron, all that.
Lunar is one of the main contributors to this. Lukha.
I'm having a map here.
Yes.
I'm having a map here. One is coming from here. This is called Lubana.
Yes, yes.
And one is coming from here. This is Lunar.
Yes, yes.
So it is only after the confluence
Yes, yes,
that
yes.
it started
Yes,
blue.
Yes.
And that star cement is right here.
Yes, but I think maybe this map was difficult to see the map. So what happens is, actually what will happen is, suppose water its pH is suppose normal like 7 suppose. So what will happen if water that comes from the Lunar River is highly acidic, because if we have not visited, that's why before we mentioned, one of my scientists mentioned that we should visit Lunar Bindiyati, because the pH there is 2.2 to 2.8. Even winter and summer is same, and it's just, you can see the color is just like turmeric color. The water is turmeric color, yellowish. It's highly acidic. That is the main contributory to this river.
Yes.
River.
Yes.
So what happens is, because when the water reaches the pH is less, no, that's when this precipitate will form. When the pH is between 4.5 to 5. But from the water that comes from the cement factories, that side, and the limestone area, that is the water pH is 8.1, 8.2. So at 8.1, 8.2, this bluish color will never be formed. This precipitate will not be formed.
Now, can you tell me what is the pH value here?
The last 2 weeks back, it was 7.3. 7.3, 7.38, 7.4.
This one.
Yes, last 2 weeks back.
7.3 fish can survive more.
Yes, fish can survive.
Now,
But
but why the
this
fish are
formation
dying
is from
then?
there. The formation of the precipitate will start from there, Khadum. That side is where the precipitate forms. And this precipitate, this bluish,
Hey, don't stretch
white
now ini.
precipitate will come
now.
down.
That means the problem is upstream.
Starts from there.
The problem that we have, sir, is
Yes.
upstream. Where he said, what was the river? You said?
That is
Mardum, or
Khadum.
Khadum. I think we should go there and
No,
see
we'll
now.
go.
We know,
We'll go.
we
We'll
know
go.
what is the scenario here.
Yes.
See like this.
We'll go.
So many rivers polluted from coal mine area, I think. But not this color, nah. That is the difference. I've seen Waikarwi, so many, river mean yellowish only, not blue like this. Why this is only this Lukha is blue?
No, I only mentioned it because there's a particular pH. Okay, reported concentration of aluminum and silicate and oxygen that forms aluminum silicate. That is it needs a kind of what word can you say, a combination where the combination of the pH and the combination of the chemicals, I mean the elements aluminum silica and oxygen will form this aluminum silicate and will form this whitish precipitate that reflects, that brings this optical illusion. It creates this blue color.
Are the fish dying here in this river now?
No, 5.9, if there is no other problem, they may not die. But this much fish picket, I don't know the nature of the fish picket.
You see, there was a paper I have with me. They say that because of lockdown, this river was normal. Because the star cement was not working. That's what I'm not talking. It's the paper was talking. They say that during the lockdown, the river quality was normal. It's only after the lockdown, they start working again in star cement, then the blue color changes again. So that is one of the reasons that we will asking these two to confirm exactly what was the reason. We have seen your report. I have your report. We have had so many meetings with that, but still we are not convinced. We are not convinced.
Kini ki experts ki bawan mani mene ki ong ba kane ka jingkala rong jong kawa ka tang kini ki por tlang por ka rit ka ba por liur por ka he ka ki ong ba because of the volume of the water ka dilute no kam kala blue ndai tang shu poi ki por tlang da rit ka ka kala blue te yakani ni kwa mengintep yakada te namar katangi la IT be hakini ki artillery kini ki technical authorities kumbaka Central Pollution Control Board baka State Pollution Control Board pada they kini ki badai begile ka study ni la IT be heki abang ila ong le ka in-depth study ka te ka kabram jogi baki kila de le only then they will submit a report to the Environment Committee, which the Environment Committee will undergo a study again why and how this has happened. Then only it will be made public and will place the report on the table of the House of the Assembly.